Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the IBAN on Revolut. So finding that is very easy. First of all, you'll have to go and open Revolut. If you don't have it, as an example, just go and download it. And you'll have to, of course, to create an account if you don't have an account. Or log in into yours if you have an account. So for me, let me just go here and use my Touch ID so I can log into my account. So as an example, as you can see, here is my account. First of all, you will not have access to the IBAN or, as example, the RIB or anything of your bank details information if you still haven't verified your ID. So, an example, if I go and click on this details button, I'll have this option that we need some information from you. So I'll have to submit my info before I can get my IBAN. Even if I scroll down here, I'll find my cards. And of course, on those cards, I'll not be able to get anything again. Why? Because again, I still haven't verified my account. So let me just go and close that first. They hide basically my information because I'm sharing my screen, but it's fine. So now as an example for you, what you'll have to do is simply verify your ID, then click on that details button. Once you click on that details button, you'll find every information that you want, including the IBAN or AN as well. You'll be able to see your IBAN, the BIC and SWIFT code, and also the bank name and address. And of course, from there, you'll be able to copy or share the details instantly. For me, I'll have to verify my ID, and until, of course, I can do that. But of course, I entered some wrong information, so I cannot verify that at the moment. So yeah, that's how you basically find your IBAN in Revolut in 2025. Thank you for watching and goodbye.